Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be preparing for you a one pan mac and cheese. I should be using a 9 by 13 pan, but I don't have a 9 by 13 aluminum pan, so I'm making it in these two pans here. But the recipe calls for 2 cups of macaroni, and the elbow macaroni there, I have already placed it in the pan here, okay? He called for 2 cups of shredded cheese, so I'm getting ready to shred the cheese. Okay, I shredded some of the cheese, so let me add it to this cup. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 cup of shredded cheese to this pan, and I'm gonna add 1 cup to the other pan. Okay, I got the 1 cup of cheese for the other pan. All right, and I'm making a mess too. Now you can make this dish like right after you get off from work. It's very easy to make because you're putting everything in one. Adding 2 cups of water. Remember, I'm using 2 pans, so I'm gonna add 1 cup to this pan and 1 cup to this pan here. All right. All I need is 1 cup of evaporated milk. I need 1 cup of evaporated milk. So I'm gonna divide that into a 1/2 cup in each pan. But you'll be using 1 pan, so you just put 1 cup, 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, and I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup in the other pan. We're gonna mix this up. You can use a regular spoon to do that. I'm just using this plastic one because it's handy. So mix that up. Okay, we're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And mix it up. I'm gonna use a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of butter. I added 1/2 teaspoon of paprika and a 1/2 clove or garlic. I chopped it up and added it in these pans. Let me mix it up again. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of shredded cheese on top. Now I'm gonna bake this in the oven. I'm gonna cover it first before I place it in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 cup of cheese on the top. So if you're using 1 casserole dish, you'd be using a whole cup. 2 cups. If you were using 1 casserole dish, you would be using 2 cups of cheese on the top. Because I love mine cheesy. Okay, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. It's gonna cook covered for 25 minutes and then cook uncovered for 25 minutes. So let me cover it with some aluminum foil. Okay, let me cover the other one. Set a timer for 25 minutes.
Good morning, Betty. 25 minutes, starting now.
Set a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Oh, it looks so good. Bill is gonna love this dinner.